Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hey everyone, I'm in the process of updating most of my old videos to make everything feel more natural and easier to follow. I think I can explain things better, so expect a fresh take soon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something interesting, the differences between Arabic and English when it comes to writing and pronunciation. If you're learning Arabic, you are in the right place. Point number 1, difference in writing direction. So, first things first, Arabic is written from right to left, while English goes left to right. Pretty simple, but it's big difference. Point number 2, short vowels, written versus implied. Now, let's talk about vowels. In English, vowels are always written, right? But in Arabic, short vowels like a, I, and u are usually not written. They're just implied, and it's up to the reader to figure them out based on context. But there are some exceptions, like in the Quran or in the kids' books. The vowels are included to help with the pronunciation. Just a quick note, in Arabic, short vowels aren't full letters like in English. Instead, they're tiny marks that go above or below the letters, and these marks help us pronounce the words correctly. So at first, when we're learning at school, we need short vowels and marks to help us pronounce words correctly. But once we get used to reading and pronouncing, we won't need them as much because it becomes more natural. Point number 3, impact of vowels on meaning. Here's something really important. Vowels in Arabic aren't just for pronunciation, but they can actually change the meaning of the word too. A common example is كتب, which means he wrote. But when you change the vowels, like with كتب, it means books. So كتب and كتب are the same letters, but with different vowels. Another example is لبس, he wore. لبس, confusion. So لبس, لبس. Point number 4, pronunciation and spelling, Arabic versus English. Here's a big one. Arabic is actually a lot easier when it comes to pronunciation and writing. Why? Because in Arabic, what you say is pretty much exactly what you write. It's not like English, where the spelling can be totally different from how the word sounds. Of course, there are few exceptions, but in general, if you know how to say it, you know how to write it.